Hi Srishti.
Hi Sonia, is it a nice day to make videos?
To make videos, yeah, it's a very nice day. What can we make videos about, Srishti?
Tomorrow I'm making a video about animals. So today I'm making a video body.
About our body, is it?
Yeah,
Okay, how old are you, Srishti?
5 years old.
And you know about human body, is it?
Yeah, but how old are you?
I am 33 years old.
Wow, did you grow so fast?
Yeah, I grew so fast, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so shall we start talking about our body, Srishti?
Yes.
Okay.
But I start with the S, so I said S.
Yes. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, let's start talking about our body. Srishti, what's deep inside our body? What is there inside our body?
Bones.
Bones. Yeah. Can you tell something about bones?
Bone keeps in shape.
Bone keeps you in shape
Yeah, in structure.
and gives you structure. Okay. What happens if you don't have bones?
You turn into giggly slime.
You will turn jiggly like a slime, isn't it?
Yeah, like slime in Minecraft.
Oh, that's nice. Please sit, Srishti. Okay. Okay. What is there on top of bones?
Wait. You mean our skin?
Yeah, our skin. Okay. What about skin? You know something about skin?
Yeah.
Can you tell about skin?
Yes.
Hmm.
Put your body parts without anyone looking at it.
Yeah, correct. Skin covers all your body parts so that nobody can look inside your body. That's nice. That's correct. So, what is the color of skin? You know any colors of skin?
Brown and peach.
Okay.
But or black.
Or black. Yeah. These are the basic colors of skin. That's fine. Okay, what is between the skin and the bone? Is there something between skin and the bone?
Wait, what is it?
Have you heard something called muscle?
Yeah, well, like I always lift my weights.
You lift your weights, okay? Oh, you have developed muscles. Oh, those are called biceps and triceps in your hand. So you are doing weightlifting, is it?
Yeah, so I can move muscles.
Yeah, so that you develop your muscles and gain strength, isn't it?
Yeah.
What does muscle help you with?
A muscle gives you energy
Gives you strength.
or strength.
Yeah.
But can I just sit here?
No, you sit here only. That's better. Muscles are making you jump up and down, isn't it? That's very funny.
I like my videos.
You like your videos. I know that.
And you like yours.
That's fine. That's fine, Srishti. Okay, we know about bones, you know a little bit about muscles, and you know about skin. You know what is inside our head?
Brain, eyes, mouth, ears.
Okay, what is inside your head? What is it? Yes, brain. Can you tell something about brain?
Brain.
Hmm.
When you read thousands of books, you may get smarter.
You may get smarter. Oh, that's nice. So the brain makes you smart, isn't it?
Yeah.
And by reading the brain becomes smarter. Yes.
But the giant has bigger brain.
Yes, giants have bigger brains, but then they may not be smart. Human brains can be trained to become smarter, isn't it?
But giants are not smart.
Giants aren't smart because they are giants. That's fine. Okay, coming out of
Giants never do anything else.
That's fine. Let's not. Yes.
But you know heart goes bum 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 bum.
Heart goes bum 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 bum. Where is your heart?
Here.
On the left side.
Here.
Yes. Okay.
Where is your heart? Is
My heart is on the left side. This side.
But your left side is there, my left
Yes.
side is here.
Correct. You're right. Okay, tell me about heart.
Heart goes bum bum, 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 and give blood at the other parts of their body.
Wow, that's nice.
And then there's two sides, red and blue. The what's the blue side do?
It actually pumps out blood. That's what it does. The blood from other parts of the body comes to the blue side, and from the red side, the blood goes to the other parts of the body.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, blue side is impure blood and red side is good blood.
Okay.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So, okay, you know about heart. What else you know about? Is there any other? Tell.
Lungs.
Yes, lungs. What are lungs meant for?
I'm getting air.
Getting air. Okay. What does lungs do?
I forgot.
You forgot.
Ah.
Can you just lift your head? What does lungs do?
Wait. What is nutrition?
Not nutrition. What does lungs take from the air? Oxygen.
Oxygen. But what nutrition?
Nutrition comes from food. That is the stomach's work, not the lungs' work. Okay.
Wait, when you eat a bunch of crackers, it's your stomach's job to mix it.
Yes, it is the stomach's job to mix it. But what are we supposed to give your stomach? Good food or healthy food or unhealthy food?
Healthy food, good food.
Yeah, healthy food is good for your stomach. Unhealthy food will make your stomach also sick, isn't it?
Yeah, but what about to eat the unhealthy lemon?
We shouldn't eat unhealthy food, isn't it?
Yeah, but when your tongue is white, that means you're sick.
Yeah, it means you're sick. It's an indication that you are sick. Okay, let's talk about the organs in the face. What is this?
Eyes, nose, ears, mouth.
Yeah, tell me about your eyes.
Eyes has what is that?
Pupil.
Pupil. Pupil make you see,
Okay.
but tongues could taste.
Tongues could taste food, that's right. Let's.
Wait, can you talk about tongue too?
Yeah, you can talk about your tongue too.
When you eat any healthy food, you might taste. When you eat the tiny parts go to the tongue and then go through here from the neck.
Yes, that is called an esophagus.
Yeah,
What is it called?
esophagus.
Yeah, esophagus, and it goes to the stomach.
Yeah.
And in the stomach, what happens?
It's the stomach's job to mix.
Okay, it makes and it gives you
Energy,
energy and
strength,
strength and
muscles.
yes, muscles develop from the strength that the stomach gives. But what about something called nutrition? You said nutrition, right?
Yeah, nutrition. But I always eat mamu instead of lunch.
Yeah, that's good, no? That gives you nutrition, isn't it?
Yep, because I like dry mamu.
Oh,
I don't like soft mamu. That is me. But I don't dry mamu. I don't like watery mamu.
yeah, nobody is giving you watery mamu.
But,
So,
but I don't want the mamu that we eaten last year.
that's fine. Last year, mamu, we are not giving. Please sit. Okay, tell me about your nose.
Nose could smell,
Okay.
but there are boogers inside.
Yeah, the boogers are the ones, the dust particles which are in the air, which goes inside your nose, so that none of it goes to your lungs if the nose stops it. So that's what forms boogers.
But I keep sneezing.
Why do you sneeze?
I don't know, because dust.
Yes, because of dust and pollen and other things in the air. The air is not very clean, no?
Yeah, but inside is clean.
It is clean, but it is not as clean as it can be. What about ears? What do you use your ears for?
For hearing.
Okay.
But there's some wax inside.
Yeah, ears develop wax. So what are you supposed to do?
When you hear something,
Hmm.
but I just hear George.
You just hear George from Peppa Pig.
No, not George from Peppa Pig. George, King of the Jungle.
George, King of the Jungle. Okay.
There was the one with his brain, his eyes, and his ears one.
Oh.
But he just saw a tiger is going to eat a monkey.
Okay. Okay, so you saw that, isn't it?
Yeah, it was a good way. George saved the monkey.
Okay, that's fine. So, coming back, do you know what is this?
Here,
Hair. You know something about hair?
yeah,
What?
flowers.
You put flowers in your hair, okay? What else?
Your hair has stems.
No, hair doesn't have stems, it has roots.
That means,
Okay, you know something about hair, various types of hair. You keep telling, no?
yeah, brown,
Hmm.
other colors,
Okay. You may have curly hair,
poppy hair.
straight hair.
What about even dangly?
Dangly hair, yeah, those things are also there. That's fine, that's fine.
But we are lucky, so we have curly hair.
Yeah, that's true, that's true. All right, Srishti, you do know sufficient things about your body. What is this? What are these?
Lips,
These?
teeth.
Yeah, they are teeth.
Wait, milk keeps your bone and teeth good.
Yes, milk keeps your bone and teeth good. What other food keeps your body good? You know anything?
Vegetable.
Vegetables, yes. Fruits, okay.
But I eat in a pear.
You eat in a pear.
Yeah.
Do you like pears?
Yeah.
Ah.
It's my favorite fruit.
Oh, so pears keep you healthy, isn't it?
Yeah, I just like pears, apples, orange.
Oh, you eat all these fruits?
Yeah, and homemade orange, but my dad got me a boring orange.
That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. That's all right. All right, Srishti.
Right?
Oh, you know so much about your body. So, in tomorrow's video, what are you going to talk on?
About animals, I already told you.
Oh, that's fine. Tomorrow we'll talk about animals. Now, let's wind up our video on human body. All right, Srishti, I think it's time for you to go and play with your buddies.
No, not buddies, my friends.
Yeah, with your friends. So we'll wind up today's session. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you, Srishti.
You wave your hand in the camera.
Bye.